This is a tutorial for joining a Google Meet on a mobile device. Understand that when you're using a mobile device, you are going to be on a lighter version of Google Meet than if you were on a laptop. Some of the features that you might see when you join a Google Meet on a laptop are not going to be a choice when you're on a mobile device. However, you can still join a Google Meet from any location using your mobile device. The host has probably already sent you an email or a calendar invite for the Google Meet. Simply open that on the mobile device and click on the link to access your meeting. When you're on the entry screen, you have a chance to make things exactly how you want it before you enter the room. You can mute your mic as well as turn your camera off, and then click join. If you're not a host of the meeting, it's always a good idea to at least mute your mic so that background noises don't interrupt the meeting. Once you enter the meeting, you still have an opportunity to turn your mute on or off as well as your camera. When using the mobile device, the layout of how you will see everybody in the meeting is already set for you at default. If you click on the three dots, which are the settings, you won't have the page layout like you do when you're on your laptop. So therefore, the mobile version makes it really easy because everything is set for you as soon as you enter the meeting. And with that, sit back and enjoy your meeting with Google Meet.